Today we will talk about teaching vocabulary. I would like to give you some ideas for teaching vocabulary. We have some important points to remember about teaching vocabulary. First, when presenting new vocabulary, you must teach its meaning and pronunciation. Second, the meaning of new words can be taught by using various techniques such as through pictures, mime, real objects, situations in context, etc. Third, it is necessary to check students' understanding of the new words. Fourth, students need a lot of varied practice of new vocabulary. The fifth, students need to revise new vocabulary regularly. And the last, students need to record and store new vocabulary in a helpful way. Well-recorded new vocabulary can improve students' learning. We have some steps of teaching vocabulary. First, presenting vocabulary. This is the most important step in teaching vocabulary. When present vocabulary, you remember present the meaning, pronunciation, and how to use the word by using various techniques. Make sure all vocabulary is presented quickly and effectively so that students can practice using the new words as quickly as possible. We have a stage of presenting new vocabulary as following. First, illustrate or show the meaning of the new vocabulary. Second, clearly model pronunciation and ask students to repeat both as a class and individually. Third, check that students clearly understand the meaning. Third, draw students' attention to aspects of vocabulary such as bursts of speech, collocation, frequency, etc. And give students a written record and check that they read well and write well in their notebooks. Follow it with activity to fix, activate, practice the new vocabulary. To present new vocabulary, we have some techniques. For example, definition, detailed description of appearance qualities, example, hyponyms, illustration, picture, objects, demonstration, acting, mime, context, story or sentence in which the item occurs, synonyms, antonyms, translations, associated ideas, collocations. The second step of teaching vocabulary is practice new vocabulary. After presenting the new vocabulary, they are practiced. We have some techniques of practice the new vocabulary. For example, slap the ball, bingo, picture, rub out the reel, lucky numbers, stop the bus, etc. After practice the new vocabulary, we must recycling the vocabulary or testing vocabulary using some techniques as follows. Multiple choice, matching the opposite in two columns of the words, combine the prefix in column A with which of the words in column B, or odd one out, writing sentences, dictation translation, gap filling translation, sentence completion. And after practice the vocabulary, you must recycle vocabulary using some techniques. For example, categories, lexical furniture, picture illustration, word dictionary, draw the word, change story, hangman, etc.